Good day, my friend. On this video I will show you how to clean a very dirty engine at no effort whatsoever. What we will need to clean the engine, very simple. A brush, you see I've got a long one because it's easier. It's quite hard, so it's nice to remove all the dirt on the engine. A bit of water. Of course you can use a pressure washer like this, but I will show you that even if you don't have that, just a little bit of water is fine. And something to clean the oven. This is absolutely brilliant. So I'm not here to show any brand. You don't have to buy an expensive one. This one costs about €1 something at the supermarket, and you will see it works perfectly well. So let me show you now what we do. What we'll do will be very simple. We will shake the bottle well, and then we will apply the foam everywhere, okay? And we'll let it to rest for a few minutes. Not too long, because it's corrosive and you don't want it to attack some rubber or stuff like that, okay? So maybe 4 or 5 minutes, it's fine. And then with the brush, we'll agitate a little bit the dirt, and then we rinse it off. It's as easy as that, okay? And then you will see the difference in before and after. Look, that tractor is 64 years old, and look at this, it's absolutely clean. Of course, there's still some parts that are absolutely dirty, but as I say, because we rinse it just with water, if you got a pressure washer, much better. Obviously, if you want to clean a bit more, which I will do now, then obviously you spray some foam again, and you continue cleaning all that dirt, because look at that, it's absolutely filthy, okay? But you will see if you do that, that will be absolutely perfect. So let me do a little bit more on it now. This is it. Now we can see the difference between before and after. As we can see, there's a huge difference. And remember that I've taken the example on that very old tractor, that's over 60 years old. And basically, the oil leak mixed with some earth from the tractor, we've got a very thick paste that's very difficult to get rid of. So if I can get rid of that on that engine, imagine on your car that won't be as dirty as that. As well, I've just poured some water on it. Obviously, if you have a pressure washer, you will have a much better result. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video. If you go there, you will see my channel where you'll find many other tricks that you can do at home. And if you go there, you will see how to clean your fireplace in 30 seconds. All right, take care. Ciao.